Suppose I have a matrix B is equal to 2, 4, 1, 12, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. If I need to find the cofactor matrix, what should I do is, what was the usual way? We will find the cofactor of each and every element, isn't it? We will find the cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 2 will be, leave the row and column, so the value is 12. Okay, the sign will be positive. Cofactor of 4 will be 1. By taking the sign, it will be negative 1. Again, cofactor of 1 will be, leave the row and column, it will be 4. Taking the sign, it is in the second row, first column. Again, there will be a negative. Again, cofactor of 12 will be, leave the row and column, we will get it 2 and it will be positive. And if we need to write the cofactor matrix, what should I do is, I should write it 12 minus 1 minus 4, 2. Okay, can you compare the given matrix? This is actually the cofactor matrix we did by step. Can you compare the given matrix and the cofactor matrix? Is there any specialty or is there an easy way to get the cofactor matrix from a 2 by 2 matrix? Yes, how we did is, look at the main diagonal element. Main diagonal element is 2, 12. Just reverse the main diagonal elements to write the cofactor matrix. Okay, and in the case of off diagonal elements, the elements get reversed with the change in sign. Actually, the off diagonal elements are 4 and 1. Here it got reversed as 1 and 4 and the sign also changed, isn't it? So that is an easy way to write the cofactor matrix. From here, if I want to write the adjoint of the matrix, can you say how we can write adjoint of the matrix is the transpose of the cofactor matrix, isn't it? So what we get is 12 minus 1 will be the first column and minus 4, 2 will be the second column. Okay, directly without finding the cofactor matrix, from the matrix we can directly write the adjoint of the matrix. How you know? Just compare the given matrix and the adjoint. What is the speciality? The main diagonal elements got interchanged, isn't it? 12, 2. The given matrix of main diagonal elements was 2, 12 and in the adjoint it got reversed as 12, 2. And what about the off diagonal elements? It was 4, 1 in the question and in the adjoint it's a negative of the given values. So we can directly write the adjoint from the given 2 by 2 matrix. It is only possible for a 2 by 2 matrix. Just reverse the order of the main diagonal elements. So 12, 2 and just change the sign of the off diagonal. So it is minus 4, minus 1. We will take another example. Let's see is equal to 2 by 2 matrix. 3, 4, minus 1, 5. Okay, so what will be the adjoint of C? Adjoint of C will be equal to, what you have to do is change the main diagonal element. So it becomes 5, 3. And just change the sign of the off diagonal element. So 4 becomes minus 4 and minus 1 becomes 1. Clear? We will take one more example. D is equal to, let it be minus 1, minus 2, minus 5 and minus 6. So what will be the adjoint of D? What we have to do is change the main diagonal element without the sign. So main diagonal will be minus 6 and minus 1. And instead of the off diagonal elements, what we will do is we will take the negative of the elements which are given in the question. Here it is minus 2, so we will write here 2. Here it is minus 5, we will write here 5. So this is adjoint of D. So it is only possible for 2 by 2 matrix. What you have to do is interchange the main diagonal elements and just change the sign of the off diagonal elements. Only for 2 by 2 matrix.